What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It's your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but right now, let's take a moment of silence for all the people who have something to say. You guys done? I took a break from social media, from YouTube, from everything because I had a lot of things going on in my life. So I wanted to make sure before I come back, I was mentally, emotionally, physically ready, to come back because it does take a lot out of you. So I wanted to deal with all the problems that I had going on before I come to you guys because, I'm not going to be up on here lowing as me or I didn't feel comfortable. You guys have been like, why are you not as hype as always? So I wanted to take care of everything like that before I came back to YouTube, and I am back. So for my first video, I want to vlog for you guys because you guys love my vlogs so much. So for today, I have a whole bunch of errands to run because it's my day off. So I want to go ahead and hit Sephora. I think I want to go to Trader Joe's, and I want to go to shopping for you guys a little bit. I promised myself that I would not buy any clothes new until I get down to my goal weight or my goal size. And I still have a little bit more to go, but I just want to see what's out there because I haven't been shopping in a long time. I've still been fluctuating in weight. I've been going to the gym like 3 to 4 times a week. The most important thing is nutrition, and sometimes I feel my nutrition could definitely be so much more better than what it is. It's really good, but it can be better. I just know, and I want to push myself. So right now I've been fluctuating, so I've just been more, looking into all of my older clothes to see, how I can revamp it. So I made sure I went to the tailor. I took in a lot of my jeans and a lot of my pants, and, I just did that. So let me show you guys my skincare, that what I want to go to Sephora for. And like I said, I tell everybody this who says, oh my goodness, your skin is so nice, it's so glowing, it's so plump, it's so all of this. And I'm like, what are you talking about? But anyway, these are all the items that I use and that I want to use, and I want to show it to you guys. But I always tell people, black don't crack, but it will if you let it. Specifically, if you do not moisturize, I'm telling you people, moisturization helps. You need to moisturize, and I'm telling you, your skin will look flawless. But anyway, I digress. So here's what I've been using. So I've love this Fresh Deep Hydration Face Cream. I love this one. So it is done. I got it in the smaller size, so I went back to Sephora and got it in the bigger size. So I cannot wait. I hope this is the bigger size because this one says face mask and this one says face cream. So I would be pissed if this is not the same thing. I'm gonna have to test that out off camera to see. So since I loved this so much, I thought I was going to love this face deep hydration rose serum. I feel like it does nothing for my skin, so I want to go ahead and try the Ola Hendrickson vitamin C face serum instead. And since I love this, I thought I was going to love this Lotus Youth eye cream, but I feel like it does nothing. I had this for like about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, and I felt that there was no change, so let me go ahead and get something else. And of course, I didn't want to jump on the bandwagon with the Drunk Elephant. It was so popular, but I'm like, oh, it doesn't really work. And I absolutely love this, you guys. This is a luxury facial oil, virgin marula oil. And I bought the smaller one. This one cost $40 because I was being cheap, but I love it so much. I'm just going to go ahead and, take this back and get the bigger one. And you got all of the stuff is from Sephora, and if you don't know, Sephora does definitely take things back. You can return it if you don't like it, and then you can get your money back, or you can try to trade it in for something else. And so I literally used this for like 2 days because I had a whole bunch of samples that they gave me. So I'm going to take this back and trade it up for the bigger one. And I definitely love this sample that they gave me. This is the night serum, or the night, the night serum with the glycolic acid or something, whatever is in there. I really love how this makes my face feel, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. What else is up here? Thank you to my friend Wilma Kaysen. He definitely sent this out when I was like not really feeling YouTube, so this definitely cheered me up. It is like, congratulations for surpassing 1,000 subscribers. He sent this out to all of I don't know if it's all. I know it was a couple of YouTubers. So I just keep it right here as a daily reminder of Nico, get back to YouTube, get back at it, and keep going until you hit your 100K. I definitely want to go to Byredo to smell that new collaboration between Virgil, Off-White, and Byredo. I know everybody and their mothers, uncles, aunties, cousin is going to be up on Byredo now, and it's going to be so annoying, but don't you guys forget, who was on Byredo before all of the hype beasts. You know, let's not forget all of that. Look, we got that, and then there's some more right over there. So I want to go ahead and smell that. I hope it does smell good, and if it does, I guess I'll buy it. I'm not too sure, because I don't want to smell like everybody else. Oh my goodness, like now everybody's gonna be on Byredo, and I'm gonna be smelling like everyone else. But let's go ahead and pick out an outfit right now. So you guys, this is going to be my outfit of the day. This Paris Colette Club t-shirt. I don't think I've ever wore this out in public. I just think that I wore it in a video. Then I'm going to wear these Joe's denim. These are a pair of new jeans, but you know, this is the Legend Skinny Fit, and these, I love them, but they're too big. Like the waist is too big. It's a size 34. I swear I am a 34, but I guess I am losing, inches around my waist. So I have to go to the tailor to take this in, like maybe like an inch or two on each side. But I love the color. Then for my shoes, of course, Old Faithful, these Balenciaga sock runner things. Nobody's probably wearing these anymore. Everyone's wearing the triple S's, but these are my favorite shoes of all time, and I'm going to wear them every day of my life. You can even see my imprint on my foot in there. And then for jackets, I think I'm going to wear this Phillip Lim jacket with the little black. I think it goes well with the jeans and the whole entire outfit. I'm not too sure. And I'm hella pissed because this is the Rose face mask, not the Rose face cream. The woman told me it was like the bigger size of this, but then I looked on the website and there is no bigger size. So I'm gonna have to return this to get this again, because I guess there's only one size and I don't want a mask. I want the cream. But yeah, I don't know. What should I smell like today? I'm probably going to wear this Rose of No Man's Land by Byredo. Yep, I'm going to wear that. And I don't know if I'm going to wear a hat or sunglasses. These are my sunglasses. I don't know what I want to wear. Probably throw on like the Hermes Click H bracelet. But I'll show you guys that when I am completely done. Hey you guys, so I'm in Bergdorf and these are the items that I'm choosing to try on. Since it's summertime, I wanted something more shorts. So I chose these Balenciaga. These are interesting. They come in like zip off, so you can zip off whatever length you want. You can have like a medium short or a short or long jeans. Then I chose these. It's like a two-tone thing, which is kind of interesting here. And then nothing says summertime like a pair of white jeans. So these are on sale and these are by Givenchy. And I'm trying on these Givenchy sort of basketball boxing short things. So let's see what fits out of everything. And let me show you my outfit. So here's how my outfit looks on me today. And then the bags that I'm wearing are this little bag to carry on my jacket because it's hot, and my returns, and my Chanel boy. So let's see what looks good. So these are the Givenchy white denims in a 34, and clearly I am not a 34 in Givenchy. Like, these would have been dope, but they don't fit in the thigh part, and that's my problem area, or thick thighness. So like you see when it starts bunching over here, that means they do not fit. These don't fit at all. Jeez. So here are the Givenchy shorts. I think they're too big. This is a size large, but you see how, look at this. Why is my bulge like showing? Put it like this. Maybe they're okay, I don't know. What do you guys think of these? Like, unnecessary. I guess they're not that bad, but I don't know. Are they supposed to be worn up here? My waist is here. It's supposed to be worn or on like down here. I don't think they're supposed to be worn down here. These fit very weird. Look at that. What is that? It's like crotch. I don't know. First of all, these are size 32. Why am I playing myself? I know I am not a size 32. And they're so tight, like right over here in this area where you can zip off. Let me see if I can zip off for you guys real quick. Like, but they're so tight there. Wait, let me try to get them on. Nope. It's like sucking circulation off right over here. These do not fit. Oh my gosh. Like, they won't even go up. Dope idea, but no. And last but not least, these Balenciaga shorts. I don't know, my body's doing something weird. It's like loose, tight. loose, like you see, loose, and tight in the legs. But I do like the two-tone. See the tush. Yeah, these are not too bad, but it's just like, maybe they'll stretch out over time. I don't know. You guys, this is what I really want. Oh, these are so hot. Fire. But this color is even much better. Look at this. This is like the epitome of me. This is me, but this is in a size small. Obsessed. Obsessed with these. Obsessed. And in the back, sweat. Like, ingenious. People, I just finished the Byredo Times elevator music experience, and I have to say that the front is really light, and they say it's to embody the elevator music that's in the background of the elevator, but I'm like, that's a lot of money. It's like $275 for a special price for that, and it only comes in a 100 milliliter bottle. So I told her, let me spray it on my skin and let me see the longevity of it. But right across the street, it was the Gucci store that I took you guys in, or that you guys would have already seen. And that store is also an experience that you have to see. Like, I went in there twice within 1 hour because there was so much stuff that you have to see. And I did see my old Fendi sales associate, so now she's in there. So now I really have someone to shop with, which is much more better versus having no one. So we're gonna be going back up in there when I've told her to text me when they have something, because I don't want to be coming down to the store every 5 minutes. So right now we're gonna get something to eat. We're gonna go to my favorite spot here in Soho. That if you're a true subscriber, you already know what it is. And it is so this is Aperol Rosé with a little bit of champagne on top. So good.